Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying basics that affect voice, power, network, and remote hardware. Once done, power cycle the set-top box by unplugging for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Next, inspect the remote, swap batteries, and press the mic to listen for clicks. Make sure the voice assistant option is turned on in settings and the language matches your accent. These steps eliminate common causes and prepare the box for deeper fixes. They save time versus jumping straight to factory resets. Once restarted and settings confirmed, repair the remote to refresh the voice channel. Press and hold the pair button until the LED blinks, then follow on-screen prompts. Next, check for and install firmware or app updates. Voice recognition improves with the latest software. If the interface offers voice cache or assistant data, clear it to remove corrupt samples. Finally, reboot again so the new firmware and cleared data load cleanly. This often fixes recognition drift and latency issues. You finish by systematically testing. Speak several short, distinct commands and note which fail. If problems continue after updates and repairing, perform a factory reset of the box as a final software remedy. Make sure to back up preferences. If the remote still misbehaves, ask your provider to check box logs and escalate. Hardware faults require a replacement remote or service visit. Tip: if recognition fails intermittently, try swapping batteries and using a different voice tone. Hardware mics often fail before software does.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.